piece now. Siparing bachuras. Oh shit, I'm recording, yeah. Another episode, fam. Another episode, here we go. That was a bit too late though. That was a bit too late, not gonna lie. That was a bit too late, but it's going in. It's going in. Yeah, I'm building a little bit of a trade. The risk is still the same. That's one, because everything's at break even. So I can trade level 2s whilst I'm building this trade. But yeah, another episode. Took some time off. Had to work. No worries. That's the. Basically, yeah, I fucked up, and that's what it is. Couldn't stick to the rules, so I was like, no, you have to stop this. Come back when you can follow the rules. So here we are again, refined after a week of demo. But yeah, we're in this bad boy trade. My measures tell me that it should go to 28.19, right? So we'll find out about this trade. We'll find out about it. Okay, we took one, that's nice. That's nice, yeah. Still got 13 bucks, so that's around 13 bucks. Yeah, that would be around like, yeah, another 30 pounds towards the balance, so we could end the day nice and positive, you know. And there's just a bigger level 2 just occurring right now, so this might not be the end of it, you know. And each trade I'm making is just adding on to that, with like entering 70 to 80% markup on 0.80 TDI, right? Right now this has been oversold for about 15 seconds. I mean, the only narrative is long, right? Look, that's the bigger picture of this shit. You see it? So this took like a week, right? It shows me bigger moves. We just broke 2800, so the next is the quarter number is gonna go up, down, up, whatever, which way is gonna go, but we're aiming for the 20, come back to the 10s, around the 10s, shift out to 25s, easy, right? Let me put that back. And then if we look at a bigger picture, just so that it's clear for everyone, it was a retracement, yeah, and a continue on a major quarter number. So last time we had a continue on a major quarter number, which was here in September. We went up, we had a RTU pattern, right? And then we hit another major number, major quarter number. So major half to major quarter, and then it bounced back. So now, oh shit. Based on the retracement local measure, this would signify a 2 times their money, and that would be a level 2, right? Breaking it down, it's a valid move. So I'm aiming for 3k gold by in the next 4 months. And I don't think the price is ever gonna come back to this low at any time soon if it's gonna keep rising, right? Yeah, the solid trend. Not a solid trend, honestly. I am willing to take some money off this trade. we're gonna chill. We're gonna wait for it to drop down to here. If it breaks that, that's another level 2 for me to scale into. But yeah, and just, you know. Let me put some music on this shit. Be back. Oh yeah, baby, we're good, we're back in the movement. We're looking good, man. Can't say anything else, we're looking good. Yeah, we'll take profit soon though. Right, so what the fuck am I doing here, man? That's the main question. Let me close all that. Get ready with this. Yeah, beautiful, man. Come on. Give me the cash. Oh, boys. The algo, man. Gotta fucking launch the algo. Yeah. Yeah, now my greed is telling me to take the money, man. Fuck. But we gonna hold that bitch, man. Shit. That's how he wants it. It's gonna get it, you know. It's past 1.5 the money, right? So if it's past 1.5, that would suggest that 2 is imminent. 2 is imminent. We had a nice move up. I don't see any stopping right now. And we got a 10 mark, but a 10 mark should be penetrated easily. At 15, that might cause some trouble, but I think 20. 10, I mean 10, we got that covered. Yeah, bro, fuck, you know. It's just what it is. I'm a little bit ill, but fuck it, man. This money's not gonna make itself, is it? You gotta persevere, keep pushing. That's what this is. Come on. Nah, yeah, this was a beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade. Happens every London Open, man. Every hour. These setups occur, and just if you have patience enough to stick and ride these moves, bro, you're sorted. How the fuck did I make these entries, man? Trade history. Oh, we got auto scroll, yeah. Where did we make these entries? That was my first entry, right? This was my second. Then got level 2. And this was the last. Boom, that's the entry. And that was my entry here. Where else? I entered here as well. Level 2. And then the primary entry was here. As soon as it broke this, man, I went in here, right? And I was already here, but then I got tricked because it broke the low, so I had to exit. But then it was just 1, 2, 3, level 2, shift out. Could have had that, but played a little game on myself. So no, it's not really important. I'm just making ground. I see, almost doubled the account. I could do that every day of the week, Monday to Friday, right? I just watched this shit for so long. When I don't trade, I go out. All I see is trades in my mind. Just trades, right? My eyes open, operating in real life, doing shit, but in my eyes, I see trades like the chart. I see that. You know, I wake up, think about what's gold done, what's happened. You know, shit from yesterday. So it's not just how should I say, the strategy itself, but my ability to just execute it and see it and spot it every time. That is what really sets it apart. We're gonna make some ground this week, at least to 40 or 50, man. Come on, just imagine, bro. You know, and what if we hit that? That's perfect. So, end of the week, 28.62. Let's see that shit, man. Can we trade this for that long? Like, at least one trade on? Or 2 or 3? Let's just see how far we can build this account in a week. Next week, we should have it already up to 1k if we can get up to 400 this week. You know, I thought I was gonna go to do some part-time job, but there's no point. There's literally no point to do that. Like, I can trade this shit day and night. Switch between assets. So I can capture the maximum liquidity. Once the algo is up and running, that's gonna be a whole nother beast of like income. Because everything's been refined since the last time I launched it. Yeah, what happened was I went for a funded account. It's lost now, but it's fine. So I went for the account, right, and then I lost like 5k within like 2 months of trading it. And then I was like, shit, like might as well leave it to the algo. So that's what I've done. I left it to the algo. The bad boy, it went down to 91, sorry. Then I made it back all the way to 102k. Started making profit. And then the algo just switched off on me, man. It just was unprofitable anymore. So I was like, shit. Went back to coding. It's like the problem's not in the code. It's making good pattern recognition, right? But the market was just not suitable for it, or the risk to reward was too big. So basically there was a change in the market structure, the way it was operating and everything, which was fine, but I wanted to be during all market conditions, doesn't matter. So the point was to move down into microscopic trades, basically. Yeah. And that's where we are today. Microscopic trades. We'll see how that turns out. But yeah, it should be generating on the smaller size between 100, yeah, like around 100 a day on the smaller size. And then leave it on 5 days a week. That's 500 a week. Did nothing. So this is what is going to be on the smaller size, right? On the smaller size. So imagine if you double that, which doesn't cost a lot of money to double. Like I would say around, if you put in 200 pounds, you can begin, right? So you have enough shots to activate the trades. So the probability has the odds of playing out in your favor, because it's gonna lose, and the risk to reward is it's negative, right? So I risk 3 to make 1, but I hit 1 like 97% of the time, and I hit the 3, which I lose like 3% of the time. So regardless, it's profitable, right? But sometimes you need to give it space to breathe. If I don't give it space, it might hit the stop loss, then hit the TP, which is like a wasted opportunity, right? That's the level 2, man, fucking going in. I don't know if anyone saw that, but that's what this is. I have to zoom in on this. So all I really need is just set up the account, get the algo running, and yeah, we're off to the races, man. We're off to the races. Watch this shit, boy. If you don't break that 10, I'm out of this boy. I'm out of this guy. If you don't break that 10, this trade's done for, man. Don't even give me no slack. As soon as that breaks that, should be a solid move. Don't see no reason why not. Nearly turned off the recording. But yeah, if you have your own trading strategy, definitely make an algorithm for it, for fuck's sake. You'll be see how people, I'm like thinking, right? Okay, I need to do a job, right? Part-time job, full-time job, whatever, so I can trade to match the trading. But then once you get your algo figured out, and then it shows results, you'll be making passive money whilst you're trading actively on a separate account, and that would be equivalent to your job, right? So you just have to manage the algorithm, but you have to create one first. That's gonna take you years. If you're doing it on your own initiative, your own ideas, your own creativity, it's gonna take you years. So you like not studying or learning things, but connecting the dots, if that makes sense. Man, like the longer you do this game, the more dots you start connecting, the better you get at connecting them, and it's like just keeps on, you keep on switching on like a light bulb, constantly brighter and brighter and brighter each year you trade it, you know. And that's all it is, really, just persistence. This game rewards persistence. I could put into scratchers, right? But do I want to put into scratchers, bro? I'm about to take this trade out, man. Fucking try it, bitch. I'm out. It could be a continual, yeah, but this score is going to be a continual. But, you know, it's just too good, man. It's just too good. It's just too good. It's just too good. Yeah, definitely gonna keep rising though. It's just part of it. It might come back, it might not, who cares? Better shoot up, man. Look at that. They ain't playing around. They're definitely gonna shoot. It's a low volatility coming in. Might as well have news as well. Fucking hell. Let me check it. Today's Monday. We got ISM manufacturing PMI 3 p.m. and then we're free all day basically. So it's just normal market volatility doing its thing, going up for whatever reason, you know. Sorry for the tapping, I'm just being bored and shit. Almost doubled. Which one's gonna be? Because they ain't playing around, motherfucker. They ain't playing around. That 2.8 zone could have been an entry though. That's okay. Let's see what it can bring us. We'll definitely take the one with the lowest profit. Columns. No. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I don't really care about the actual positional profit. I like the points. I get a total anyways, but makes it easier to focus. What's my uncle point? Should be here somewhere, isn't it? Shouldn't even be back there, but we'll make something out of this. 5, just below 5, so shouldn't come back really. Should stay between 7. Above the 10 for sure. Okay, another level 2 potentially. Could I say that? Yeah, boys, let's put something. Okay. There's an entry. Oh, one more. That would really jeopardize this whole thing. So it's 2 level 2s, one here and one here. It broke. Both do continue, so it should break this. It breaks this, we aim it to 12s. Boy, that was rough. You see that? No, it's time though. Should I do? Alright, there's a bigger level 2 coming into play. And find the die. Should have cut it sooner. Well, that was operational error, man. I can't help that one. Pardon me. Doing well, but it's below the VWAP at the moment. It's coming back into the buy band. Let's see. Mitigation range. Yeah, we should be fine, man. Should be fine. Even if I get hit, I'm fine with that. Totally, man. Just give my money. Direction is long. Level 2. That's fine. They just lost 2 positions. That's all. Plus, we're gonna go rid of this shit anyways. Yeah, 196, come on. Just before the cross cover. Yeah, this is the commercials. Switching sides, right? Only they get filled. Then they have to cross the spreads to get filled here, so there is gonna be a small sell-off. In the meantime, 150 points, that's all we need, around 86, 85. Not too far off, really. You know, it was like close proximity to accuracy, but spread obviously can't react as fast as the computer can, so there's gonna be some slippage, that's for sure. 50 points slippage. Super. Some balance, potential recovery, maybe. And then if I measure this move down approximately, right? That just occurred, this move down that just occurred. If we focus on the local, I get my target of 15. Actually. So that is what I'm waiting for. Come on, man. Easy peasy, man. Come on, bro. Waiting for it to hit the targets. That'll be good. Let's see, what is it gonna do? What's his plan? What's his plan, man? Alright, cool. We're gonna get ready, yeah. It's going, man. There's no point. Come on. We going in, boy. We going fucking in, bro. Come on. Alright, we'll be back. We'll pause the recording for a bit. Alrighty, so it hit. Perfect. I'm not gonna have a lot of time really to see this play out. Not really gonna have a lot of time to see this play out. That's the problem that I'm faced with. But I think we'll be alright. Yeah. Could have been entries from here, but we entered one here, and one here. And now we enter one here. Again, aiming for that higher mark. Let's see exactly what's gonna happen, but yeah, it'd be nice with building the account from scratch. It's building up nicely. We got $24 of extra margin basically. So that's another It's another 4 microwatts. Even now, if it goes up $10, that's extra like $37 for us. So we'll be alright, and we then flip it more the next day. Just so you could just keep it. I'm gonna leave one open just as an experiment. By the end of the week, see what we're gonna get. Because it's moving mad, I'm gonna tell you that much. It's moving mad. Alright. Pause, it will be back. Alright, so we can pump of volatility. You know what I don't like about pumps? They're volatile. Sorry, man. Completely forgot about that. You guys are here, bro. I'm just fucking cleaning my teeth. That's so unprofessional. Well, anyways, we didn't hit that one. That's particularly because, well, fast move is not really the true move. Oh, Schnellenburgen. I would really like to go in, but I don't really want to go in. I would like a bigger discount, please. 1, 2, 3, please, come on. It should be a bigger downward spiral after this. Doesn't seem too far down. Does the protective target, does it? I mean, if I wanna build it out, it seems a bit too high. I'll take this one. Take this one. It'll be alright, yeah. Suka. Oh, you make a nasty continual case. So we're gonna be stuck in this range between 12.5 and 7.5 now. That's what it looks like to me. We ain't gonna be moving until they get enough. But at the moment they still haven't. So it bounced up strong. It bounced up strong. Alright, we're really close to getting this thing sorted out. It's clean move. Very clean. Come on, there's a level 2 setup right here, man. Come on. Drop lower. Drop lower, come on. Yeah, and then make it perfect. So there's gonna be a little W or something like that. Ain't nothing too fancy, but it will do the job and get the job done, right? No divergence of the sort. It's amazing. Yeah, I do want this to end, right? You see how this is the same thing? I just see it in 3 different ways, and then I've got another 3 monitors that I can check price on from different angles. Different angles of perception. Now you know what? This might be a rookie mistake. But I believe it. Yeah, we're going in. Ah, fuck it out. Come on, come on, come on. Don't fail me now. I'm gonna pause. If it pauses, what does that mean? It means suck balls. I have to wait. Right now, there's nothing telling me that it's not going up. Nothing telling me that it's not going up. They're getting busy. They're getting busy in the area. This New York session is going to be wild. Another level 2. Micro 1. Don't trust the middle. Wait for the third. There it is. Pause. There it is. Oh, it has to continue. We cannot stop right now. It has to continue. Okay, Mr. Man is around. All it has to do is just break my entry point. This is 2809.82. You do that, I'm out. Gonna look for a better one. But that's in line with the narratives that plays. It's that kind of behavior that I'm looking for me to make a nice penny out of it. Pound, literally. Oh. See what I mean? It's a really brutal bit. Yeah, it's pushing, perfect. Enter one more. Might get burned, but what are the odds? What are the odds? Is this it? It's just in the middle. Yeah. Gonna close everything if that's how it is. Just continue back to scalping. Well, not everything, but you know what I'm saying. Alright, another entry. Fuck him. Aiming to capitalize. That's what we did. It did close above, it did not continue. Why is that? You ate my stop loss. Go again. That is dangerous. $33, the bar of volatility should come in and then clear out this whole thing. That is a dangerous setup, you know. Should have exited those trades long ago. Shit. there's a problem. I'm entering too early. Should have been out of that trade long ago. But now it's the time. Come on. Yeah, this is what we want. That's it. Keep pushing it. Yeah. And there's a bigger level 2 there. Oh shit, we missed it. Alright. This is where we are. We don't have much more margin really. But I am confident in this move. Alright, let's go. What are they gonna do? Another trade opening, but not enough capital. How could that make sense? Catch to a very awkward position now. I really did. Should have waited. Now I'm risking a lot of capital. Capital I don't really want to waste, if that makes sense. Yeah, this is my point of exit. If not, I'll have to close the positions to mitigate for the losses. But it's looking promising. Really staying in this range and it's playing a game of accumulation right now. It's gathering interest and the VWAP is hanging below the VWAP. Doesn't break 200 but tests it a lot. Right? And what would be the point of such tests? This is ridiculous. I'm losing cash. And I really don't like it. We on what we on, you know what I mean? Can't get it perfect all the time. Now why? Why would they do that? It's right at the top. You wanna stop. Interesting. Well, this is the moment, really. If it's a continuous, most likely gonna drop down, hit that number, and then look to make something out of it, but it'll be long gone by then, really and truly. Had a good thing going, fucked it up with a bit too much risk. That's what happens when you get overconfident, right? Learn from me. I'm waiting for that implode of volatility. To see what the fuck is going on. Jesus. Too confident, my brother, too confident. They went below it last time. And then exploded up. The fuck am I to do with this shit? It is a tricky one because everything tells me that, yeah, you should close this trade immediately. But then what if it's all just been a trap? To get me to shake out. That's my real concern. Because that's what happened at 8 o'clock today. Well, before that, like around 7. This should be the one that pushes it. I mean, really pushes it. And I shouldn't have lost so much money in this consolidation. Oh, thank you, sir. Come on. New York pre-market in 13 minutes, 47 minutes before it opens. I'll be gone by then, but I'll be back around 6 my time, UK time. We'll see how the building is done. And we'll try to execute some scalps as well in the New York session. You know? That's all we want, just some scalps. Some easily executable scalps, that's all we want. You understand what I'm talking about? Go and get the green vectors, don't like those, but they might be what we need right now. Might. It might. It's not guaranteed, it might. Let's see exactly what they have in mind. As long as this one's intact, we're good. Oosh. You really be punishing me, man, for... What the fuck? You really be reacting differently, isn't it? I wouldn't have one more position, but unfortunately I cannot. My free margin does not allow it. No, I'm not making risky plays? Fuck yeah. I'm making risky plays. Of course I'm making risky plays, man. I'm trying to flip this account. Game back in They're pushing it over here, you know. They're battling over superiority over who's gonna get to push price, but they know the end result. So it's just about getting people like me and you trapped in the wrong direction, right? But as far as I see, we're a long way to go before the short narrative kicks in. It's just at the moment, I like to think that they're gonna fulfill the obligation and hit the target. That's what I like to think. But then why are they struggling so bad? What's holding them? That 10 level is crucial, motherfucker. One, two, three, bam. Alright. Holding out. Soon the hour will finish and we're gonna get a true move. Yeah, we'll see. London has been doing a remarkable job of marking the price up. I think New York should finish the task and break it higher, at least to 28.19. And by the end of tonight, so that's what really I want to be focused on right now. Don't give me no fucking shit now. Just do what you're meant to do. This guy, man. There we go. That's what I'm on about. Oh, for fuck's sake. That is not a good sign, you know. Let's see what's the next candle. I want it to be a sharp vector, man. Hit my fucking targets. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we're back. Target's about to be hit. It's not gonna stop now, that's for sure. Yeah, really not too far off from hitting all this. Single trade, multiple positions, put more risk on, that's it. Yeah, deal with it. Which I wouldn't have to if I would have stick to one. But as you know, for the 50 and there it is, perfect close. Still negative from before, but it's alright. Not too fussed. I still have quite a bit of margin. You know, there it is. Still have quite a bit of margin. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave this, see how it plays out. Worst case, we're gonna exit this at, yeah, 27s. and that one will break me even. Breaking above the 10, so we can put it at 6. Yeah, it should be more than enough to satisfy the shit, sorry. Should be more than enough to satisfy the account growth. Yeah, I really like it to hit that 18 mark. And then I can call it quits on this build. I'm gonna remove everything but one position. Yeah, just leave that for the end of the week, see what it hits. I'll have to pause this and come back like 5 hours later. Alright, so I just went up to heat up some food, right? But if the open is really aggressive, I might just close the whole shebang and just exit, right? Because the target profit is here. We're almost there, you know. So, would I want to? But then this could be the build actually that just leaves it, you know, on to forever. I don't think it's ever gonna come back here before it reaches 3K. So it's a bit far away, if I would say. So I will close 3 positions, and then around when I see another play, we're just gonna keep building level 2 plays. The initial one stays on no matter what, right? So 1, 2, 3 would be good for me. We are making some money, so yeah, it's really not too far. So we're just gonna pause and got food in the fire, food cooking, so I can't really stay and watch. But we're gonna leave everything's break evens anyway. If I'm wrong, I make profit regardless, so we're good. All right, we're about to hit our target. Almost be done with this. We're about to exit. We're about to exit. And I ain't backing down from this shit. We're about to exit. There we go. Keep pushing, pushing, pushing. And yeah, as you can see, the analysis does not fail. Shit. The analysis does not fail. Bam! Straight down, bro. Jesus. That's how it's gonna be, huh? The analysis does not fail. The provider will provide. Very close, but I think after this, if it continues, it's just going to continue regardless. So, who gives a shit? Could take around 28, double the account. But I wanted to hit the 19, man. Alright, this should be it. Make or break. Make or break. That's definitely a break, you know. Look at it. One last push, one last push, and that is it. It's gonna go back down to where it has to go back down to. Gonna take everything but one. I'm still aiming to get this trade to like 3,000 I mean, so it's not just trade for trading's sake, you know, to make money. It's more like, yeah, I kind of have to see this through, you know. I have to see it through. I have to see it through, that's the thing. It was really close. Real close, real close. I got 10 minutes before I gotta go do a school run, so this is how I spend my time. That is a level 2 as well, you know, but I missed that one. So that's on me. But I'll come back later on to the Asian session. Not the Asian, the New York session. See what I can get out of it. But yeah, I'm getting ready to dip this motherfucker. This is getting out of hand. I'll get my money and go. That's what we really want. Just get our money and go. Really close. Really close. Like, really close. This one actually pushed to 23s. 22.5. 3 p.m. news. Let's see if the move happens before the news. Should get ready, really. Ooh. Right. Fucking tripled our account. In one day. Shit, why I don't trust this news event? What is it going to do? Is it going to push up? Because I have to dip if it does, you know. It's really close to my target. Really close. And it just doesn't want to. Well, it does want to hit it, but it's teasing. It's teasing people, you know. Oh yeah, we're gonna drop. No, we're gonna rise. Oh, we're gonna rise. No, we're gonna drop. And it should make people believe that it's gonna sell off, or to shake out the longs and trap the shorts. And then yeah. Shit. I might leave 2 positions open just to see what the news does, but I'm confident we're hitting our targets right now. And it's not gonna stop at the moment, so we're just gonna have to wait and just get that moment of accuracy. 200 points, 640 points in this trade right now. So, right, we're out. That's fine. I'm leaving this on. Alrighty. This one will have to exit as well. We hit our target, so we're done. But I don't have time to wait, so I'm just gonna have to see exactly what's up. There we go. There we go. Come on. What's happening, man? This was a really sharp move, all-time highs. Should just keep rising non-stop. '21, '24, '23. Okay. Would it be that bad if I waited till 3 instead of going? It might have been. I don't know. I'll be probably late, but I'm 10 minutes late. Fuck it, man. This is a big opportunity for us. Push it to the limit. Yeah, it really be rising. Right, so yeah, it just keeps going, doesn't stop. '23s, god damn. God damn. Look at that. Look at that. That is no joke. Got news coming up as well. You know what? They're bringing up before the news. What do you think they're gonna do if they mark up this aggressively just before the news? Of course they're gonna sell off. Look at the green back the candles just building up. 1, 2, 3. They're pushing it. They're getting ready for the markdown. This is all a trap. Now people are buying at all-time highs. Watch this shit. Oh, it might be so abrupt, the move, right? That it's just such volatility of people jumping shit that they just don't give a fuck. Because that's nearly 5x my account, you know. Jesus. It's gonna be a fat drop, you know. This is gonna be a fat drop. No, I'm staying on for this. This is mad. I'm staying on for this. I can be late to pick up the make a school run. It's alright. It's more important actually at the moment. Jesus. You seeing this? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? It never went down, bro. What the fuck is going on? We're getting ready to get the fuck out. We're getting ready to get the fuck out. This is historical moves being recorded right now. Sadly, I'm not trading on a big account, so it is a bit of a shame that only 5x. Well, I mean 5x my account. Just the monetary value is a bit trash. But better this than whatever else, you know. Keep going, motherfucker. That was a strong ass close, you know. Alright, we're going out. We're going out. Shit. See you later, alligator. We succeeded with the procedures. Oh shit, we're still on. We're still on. The news is about to hit. We're just gonna watch the news reaction, and I think this might be a setup for the biggest drop ever. Right? Or it might not be. Because they're slowing down. I don't like what I see, really. I have to go, that's the problem. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that trade, so still accounts in good balance. Bigger than what we started with, so it's a win for me. 2 hour session though. I don't think any of you are gonna stick through enough of this to see this full trades, but doesn't matter, man. Whilst it's a low amount, no one's gonna watch this shit. Some people will, but which I'm gonna get rewarded for that. But the rest is just gonna be like me. Alright, 3 minutes, and I'm ready to pounce. You know, I'm literally just gonna watch that. See what it does, and get the fuck out. Oh gosh, pardon me. I ate so much food just before this. It just keeps coming out. Alright. Can I get 5x? No, 4x, sorry. 4x the account, come on. 20, so 5x technically, 20, yeah. That's a 1x just in live position. Doesn't want to stop, bro. I lost down like $10 of action. That's funny. But then it never went lower, right? It never went lower. It never broke a low. Like, in terms of structure wise, like, it never done that. New high, new high, new high, level 2, new high, new high. This is new high, new high. Didn't do that. Went up, didn't do that. Went up, didn't break it. That would be technically here. Didn't break him, and new high. Went down, didn't break it. New high. This is it. What is it going to be? 1 minute, 40 seconds. That's all I wanna really do, in essence. Trading, I don't wanna see that. No thanks. Alright. 10 seconds. And I'm gone. Just gonna see the reaction. And then we'll pause the video. I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do like a 4 to something. I might make another video actually. Alright, it dropped. No. Didn't break the low, right? Didn't break it so far. There's only got one thing in mind. Which is probably to keep advancing forward. That's a level 2. shit, we're in. Okay, problem. Never mind. If I don't go, it's gonna be a problem, isn't it? Yeah, level 2. Dangerous shit. Trying to buy at the top right. Counterintuitive, I would say. Really counterintuitive. Well, we'll pause the recording and we'll see what happens. You'll see the balance here. Actually, we'll end it. We'll end this session. We'll come back on the New York.